How to get control of your stress. Lesson 6.
Hello, my name is Chess Moulton and I'm the Stress Master. In this lesson, Lesson 6, we're going to establish boundaries. Well, at least how to make them and make them healthy, and how to use boundaries to help reduce exposure to stressful thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Now, who doesn't want a bit of that? We're also going to have an opportunity to consider what our highest values are and have a go at becoming a better linear thinker. And we'll learn what Dr. Seuss has to contribute to all of this. Yes, you heard correctly, Dr. Seuss. So, let's see what it's all about, shall we?